are going to be making Kalua Pork, which if you've ever been to a luau or a Asian food festival you've probably seen, it is really delicious and seems a lot more complicated when you eat it than it actually is. So the first thing to do is set the oven to 325 degrees. Start that heating up. And we have, tilt that down right now. We have 4 pounds of pork. Before I do that, I'm going to do it the smart way. So what you actually need is pork, sea salt, liquid smoke, aluminum foil, and a baking dish. The smart way to do this is to begin by putting out foil. Don't cut it off. Now I open up the pork. Just do that off, right?
Do that over the sink so the juice doesn't get everywhere.
Shake, shake. Okay, so pork goes down on foil. Then hands get washed. Second. Foil gets extended enough to go back over the pork. Okay. Now, I should actually get a measuring unit. We are going to want a teaspoon of liquid smoke. Any brand will work. Get that good and rubbed in. Then we want a generous amount of coarse ground sea salt.
That grinder is not working very well. We have a different one.
Yeah, I've also got a grippy thing that will make it work. There we go. A little more.
You want a nice thick coating all around.
You want a nice thick coating on it. Well, I've got it bat side down at the moment, so I don't actually have to do it on the bottom. But next, foil gets folded back over and rolled up so that the seams are then on the top and sealed up nicely. And then the last step is to put this into the oven for 5 hours. And when it is done, you will have absolutely delicious food that took you, let's see, about 4 minutes of actual effort. Well, hope you enjoyed that really quick lesson. We'll see you later.